If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Wish account, follow these steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Open the Wish app or website. Start by launching the Wish app on your mobile device or visiting the Wish website on your computer. Ensure you are logged out of your account if you are currently signed in. Step 2. Go to the login page. Navigate to the login page where you usually enter your email and password. Look for an option that mentions account recovery or two-factor authentication issues. Step 3. Select Forgot Password or Need Help. Click on the Forgot Password link or the Need Help option. This will guide you through the process of recovering your account and resetting your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Follow the on-screen instructions provided. You may need to enter your email address associated with your Wish account. Check your email for a verification link or code to proceed. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. Once you have regained access to your account, navigate to the security settings. Here, you can set up two-factor authentication again by following the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app. After completing these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on your Wish account. Always ensure your account is secure by keeping your contact information up to date.